TimeCamp is a time tracking and productivity tool, but before you commit to it, there are 12 important things you need to know. We're going to cover key features, what makes it different from competitors, and if it's the right choice for you. First thing, TimeCamp offers automatic time tracking. This feature tracks time spent on apps and websites without needing manual input. It's a big plus compared to other software like Toggle, which requires you to start and stop a timer for every task. TimeCamp's automatic tracking makes it less likely to miss any productive moments throughout the day. The second thing is TimeCamp's timesheet management. You can easily organize, view, and approve timesheets, making it a good option for businesses managing multiple employees. Unlike other tools, TimeCamp's approval flow is simple and doesn't require a lot of training. The third thing is the integrations. TimeCamp integrates with over 70 apps, including project management tools like Trello, Asana, and Slack. If you're already using other productivity tools, it seamlessly fits into your workflow, which is a major advantage over competitors like Harvest that have fewer integration options. Next thing, TimeCamp has detailed reporting features. You can generate reports on how time is spent on different projects, helping you or your team optimize work processes. Some competitors, like Rescue Time, offer basic reports, but TimeCamp's data is more comprehensive, giving you a deeper look at your productivity. The fifth thing to note is its billing and invoicing options. With TimeCamp, you can track billable hours and generate invoices directly from the software. This is ideal for freelancers or businesses that need to charge clients based on time worked. This feature can be a hassle to set up with competitors like Clockify, which doesn't have built-in invoicing. The sixth thing is the project tracking feature. TimeCamp helps you manage and track progress on individual projects, giving you visibility into deadlines, team performance, and task completion. If project management is important to you, TimeCamp's approach stands out, especially when compared to simpler tools like Harvest or Toggle that focus more on time tracking. The seventh thing is the mobile app. TimeCamp's mobile app is functional and allows you to track time, review reports, and manage projects on the go. It's competitive in this area, but if you rely heavily on mobile, you might find tools like Toggle's mobile app more intuitive. The eighth thing is its pricing. TimeCamp is relatively affordable, with a free version for individuals and tiered pricing for teens. It's an excellent value compared to competitors like Rescue Time, which only offers premium plans. For businesses, TimeCamp's pricing is more flexible, catering to different needs and budgets. Next thing, TimeCamp allows you to create custom categories for time tracking. This can help with categorizing work into specific types of tasks or projects. Many competitors don't offer this level of customization, which can limit how you track and analyze time. The 10th thing is the client access feature. TimeCamp allows clients to access their own dashboards to view how time is being tracked. This is especially useful for service-based businesses and freelancers. Other time tracking tools might not offer this level of transparency for clients. The 11th thing is its usability. TimeCamp is easy to set up and use, with a user-friendly interface that's suitable for both beginners and experienced users. While tools like Clockify are also user-friendly, TimeCamp's extra features make it a good option for teams who need more than just basic time tracking. Lastly, the customer support is solid, with multiple channels like live chat, email support, and an extensive help center. TimeCamp offers a level of support that stands out compared to some competitors, which can leave you in the dark if you need help fast. All in all, TimeCamp is a solid choice for time tracking, especially if you're looking for automatic tracking, invoicing features, and strong integration capabilities. But if you're looking for something that fits even better for your business or team, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it works better for you.